Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the KVV 3-wheel golf push cart, an ultra-lightweight marvel with the smallest folding size and a new version scorecard holder. This cart requires no assembly and features an ergonomic, height-adjustable TPE handle, perfect for both teenagers and adults, allowing for multiple pushing positions. Its ball-bearing wheels, with a 9.5-inch front and two 11.5-inch rear maintenance-free EVA cover wheels, ensure a smooth ride and excellent traction on any terrain. Crafted with a strong yet lightweight aluminum frame, this cart weighs only 13.6 pounds, making it incredibly portable for storage and transportation, and it accommodates any size of golf bag with its upper and lower brackets and elastic straps. The quick foot brake and quick fold mechanism allow you to engage and release the brake with a simple tap and fold the cart into a compact size of 19.1 inches long, 14.6 inches wide, and 23.2 inches high in just 3 steps. Plus, it's easy to install, requiring only the insertion of 3 wheels within seconds after unpacking, and it even includes an umbrella holder for added convenience. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or just starting out, this push cart is designed to enhance your golfing experience with its innovative features and user-friendly design. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.